Hey guys, I'm Ann Frenmark and I'm a team programmer here at the Amy Sanders Library. And today I'm going to show you a couple different ways to make some fun Valentine's Day decorations. So the first one I'm going to show you guys is our paper heart chain. And then we'll also be doing a multi-layer paper heart made with book pages. So some of the items you'll need to get started with this project is either a ruler and a pair of scissors, or if you have a paper cutter at home, that works too. These items will be used to cut your strips of paper, and then you'll need some book pages and then some colorful red and pink paper, and then of course a stapler. So go ahead and take a moment now and go find those items. Alright guys, now that you've gathered all your materials, go ahead and take your color paper and cut little strips. This one, I went ahead and just turned the paper and used my paper cutter to slice it. And so these ended up being about 1.5 this way and then 8.5 this way. And so the main thing is just make sure that you have strips of paper that are the same length and width and size and all that good stuff. So once you're done doing that part, grab 2 of the same color, lay them on top of each other, and then you're just going to staple the end. And then to form the heart, you're going to flip it over and match up the bottom. But before you staple the bottom, grab your next 2 for your second heart. And put those on either side. So it's going to kind of look like that. And then you're going to staple it. Flip it down. And as you can see, this will start forming our chain. So again, grab your next color, put it on either side, creating a little V around this again, making sure it lines up. And then you'll staple. And then whenever you reach the end, you'll just stop adding, staple the end, and there you go. You have a paper heart chain. So that is one of our lovely paper hearts. And of course you can make this however long you want. We're gonna go ahead and stop this right here. The next one is our multi-layer paper heart. So I use this using book pages that we had laying around, and I cut them down. And the main thing again with this is making sure you have strips that are the same size. So I have 2 that are this size, and then I have these 2 smaller ones. So this will be our smaller inner heart, and this will be the one on the outside. To do this one, all you have to do is put the shorter ones on the outside. We're going to line everyone up. And the main thing is to make sure that the shorter one is on the outside. And then you staple it and flip everyone around and grab the 2 ends. And grab the 2 ends on the other side. And we're going to line these all up. Staple again. And there you go. You have a nice, lovely little multi-layer page book heart. So thank you for watching today. I hope you guys enjoy these cute little Valentine's Day crafts. And have a great day.